Enrico, the Secretary General of the Patapa. Sir, magandang tanghali.
Magandang tanghali po.
Alright, alam natin, we have one athlete pa lang sa Olympics pagdating sa athletics, si E.J. Obena. And mukhang may ilang mga athletes na nagtatangkang maka-qualify sa iba't ibang mga competitions internationally. Binabantayan ba ito ng Patapa to ensure na of course, yung suporta nila and of course, para i-chill nila sa mga darating pa mga competitions?
Yes po, lahat po ng Olympic hopefuls namin, we're in coordination with them, the calendars, their competitions, we're giving them support, we're doing what we can to support them also. And yun nga po, may mga plans din with them also.
Okay, ang isa sa mga abangan natin for the next month, itong Philippine Athletics Championships which is coming by May 20 to 21.
May 8 to 12.
Okay, May 8 to 12 sa PhilSports sa Track Oval. Inaasahan natin na even though si Obena ay nasa abroad, nagte-training, ano pa yung mga expectations natin dito sa competition? Lalo na magpapasiklab, hindi lang yung mga kalapit natin mga bayan at kubansa natin, but of course yung foreign athletes and yung ating mga aspiring athletes na nabagit ko kanina.
We expect na mas maging competitive po itong competition na to dahil they've been preparing po for this calendar also or this competition or event. No? It's registered po in World Athletics calendar. It's category B. So it gives them na serve as qualifying. So we hope we have athletes who can qualify in this competition and at the same time, if not, no, makatulong po sa kanila in preparation to qualify.
And this is actually serves as a added boost na rin dahil nabagit mo kanila category B event ng World Athletics. So, meaning to say, parang Olympic qualifying event na itong Philippine Athletics Championship, sir.
Yes po, yes po. Part talaga po siya.
But, ano ba yung mga aasahan natin? Meron pa atang performance trials na yun ang Patapang ongoing weekly? Kung
Well,
saan
we had a performance trial last Sunday to gauge and to check the fitness levels of our local athletes. So a lot of them competed in this, basically to evaluate and help them in the future, no, help them moving forward in preparation also for the national championships.
And other than that, ano ba mga aasahan natin mga activities ng Patapa in the coming year?
Well, we have a lot of competitions that we're joining. We have Hong Kong Championships, Taiwan Open, and a lot more. No? So expect na there will be more competition in terms of our athletes.
Lastly, before we give your final message, prediction, baka makakuha ba ng any color medal si Obena and the other athletes kung makaka-qualify nga sa Olympics? Ano ba yung sabihin natin expectations and of course baka pwede natin magbagit yung of course yung goal ninyo sa Patapa?
Well, like I said po, no, we just need to believe with EJ. Yun po naman yung goal nila. No? A goal namin and goal din ni EJ is to win. So we just need to support him continuously and pray that he will get yung gusto po natin na makuha po for him.
Alright.
For the country.
Alright. Appreciation message sa lahat ng taga-suporta sa mga followers ng Sports Corner PH and invite them sa mga activities lalo na sa Philippine Athletics Championships this coming May.
Salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa amin, sa inyo po, sa media. Continue lang po tayo na magtulungan with each other and I'm inviting everyone to join our Philippine Athletics, the ICTSI Philippine Athletics Championship on May 8 to 12 in PhilSports Track and Field Oval in Pasig po.
Alright.
So, if not, you can just watch and see yung mga athletes po natin.
Alright, thank you so much Sir Jasper. I-connect kita, i-invite natin kayo sa ibang mga programa at sa aking programa na rin. And good luck sa ating mga atleta. Salamat!
Thank you.
Alright, so